The Arduino Explore IoT Kit provides a comprehensive view of how the digital world of connected objects and people work, by getting advanced high school and college students started with the fundamentals of Internet of Things. The kit comes with all the components to get students started in the topic, such as PIR sensor, a moisture sensor, plug-and-play cables, and a micro USB cable. The kit comes with an Arduino Wi-Fi Maker 1010. The Arduino Maker Wi-Fi 1010 is the easiest point of entry to basic IoT application design, since it allows you to build secure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth applications. Lastly, the kit includes a Maker IoT carrier exclusive for this kit, which helps students and teachers focus more on the prototyping, testing, and programming by making wiring and troubleshooting easier. Additionally, the kit comes with online content that provides educators with all the guidance and support they need. Together with the online content, educators and students get the free trial of the Arduino Create Maker Plan. Explore the Internet of Things with Arduino Education and the Arduino Explore IoT Kit.